Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Right now it is June the 13th, 2022, and we want to take a look at our asparagus. Okay, we've got three main plants that have been here for a while. I'm sure you can tell which ones those are. They've already thrown off runners underneath the soil, and they're starting to pop up. They started popping up like late last year. Now they're getting bigger. And I've also taken and transplanted a bunch of the babies that were in my pool patio that were produced from seeds that came from one of these mom plants. And when these things produce seeds, they produce a lot most of the time. But they've only ever really produced twice that I can recollect. So all I did was I took those seed pods, they're red, stuck them in the soil, and they tons of sprouts. Tons. Unbelievable. I probably should have planted them sooner than I did, because I would have had a much greater survival rate, but I waited too long. And they weren't happy in the pots in the understory location. These guys require lots of sun. So, and they like a little bit of moisture too. So we keep them with this mulch over top. And ever since I put the mulch on, they've really been doing fine. Let me show you something too here. We do have asparagus sprigs. Lots. They, like when it rains like this, you get a ton of asparagus sprigs. They just shoot up all over the place. Look at that. That's beautiful asparagus. It's actually very tasty too. If you see that, it tastes really, really amazing. And then there's one here. That one's like a couple days old. Then there's one down here. That just came up this morning, pretty much. So, I mean, yeah, they produce. You can grow asparagus easily here in Florida, and they seem to grow all year round. Anyhow, folks, again, this soil here is just sandy soil. I didn't do anything special to this soil at all. So they're thriving in the sandy soil, and with just one little layer of mulch on top. That's it. That's all it is. So sandy soil, a layer of mulch, and they need watered, every other day or so. Now, if it's raining a lot, like it has been in June, you don't need to water them every day. Anyhow, folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps the channel grow, and stay tuned as I keep you updated on the progress of these asparagus. Have a good day.